Ano sir, first off, why are you running for the Senate?
I'm running because our leaders failed us. Our country is in such a mess. So I'm now offering my services to the people because I believe I can help change how this country is being run.
Mhm. Sir, ano yung mga ipa-prioritize mo na bills in case you're elected?
My priority bills would fall under four main focuses: anti-corruption, poverty alleviation, peace and order, and education.
Mhm. Sir, what do you think are the three most pressing problems of the country and how do you intend to solve this?
There's so many pressing problems of this country, but the root of cause of all of these problems is corruption.
Mhm.
The problems that we have in education, in poverty, hunger, the economy, are all rooted in corruption. So we have to address corruption.
How do we address corruption?
We first remove a corrupt president so that we can implement our anti-corruption drive.
Ready yan sa break.